I'm Brenna, and I'm drunk. And you should buy at this liquor store.
I told her to say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog! Nag-snow ngayon dito, ang lamig. Tingnan nyo sa labas. Puti ang paligid. Yan, malamig. Negative 19 ngayon dito. Yan. So, pag ganito, expect ko na hindi masyadong busy. Saturday ngayon dito, mahangin pa sa labas, pero hindi pa masyadong mahangin. Sabi nila mamaya daw hapon or mamayang gabi hahangin siya. So, ngayon, Saturday, trabaho na naman tayo kasi tayo ay alipin ng dolyares. Char! Tayo ay maraming pangangailangan sa buhay, kaya kayod tayo. Walang tamad-tamad. Hindi oso dito ang tamad-tamad. Kasi dito, oras ang hinahabol para maraming pera. Char! Ka ba? Para maraming pera, para ipagbayad din sa mga bills at ipadala sa Pilipinas for negosyo or pangkabayan showcase. So yun guys, expect ko today na talagang siya, matumal. Oh, nag-snow pa talaga sa labas. Walang katao-tao. Alam nyo guys, kwento ko sa inyo yung flight ng ate ko or yung trip niya papuntang Dubai. So nung Calgary to Toronto, delayed na siya ng 2 hours, Air Canada. Tapos pagdating naman niya ng Toronto, delayed na naman yung flight niya papunta doon sa Germany. So ngayon, nung dumating siya ng Germany, Frankfurt, iniwan na siya ng flight niya papuntang Dubai. So ngayon nagreklamo siya, pinakita niya yung update doon. Tapos ang sinabi ba naman ng booth na lumabas daw siya sa airport kasi para kunin yung yung boarding pass. So sinabi niya doon na hindi ako pwedeng lumabas kasi wala namang akong Schengen visa at wala akong visa dito sa Germany. So transit ko lang ang Germany Frankfurt papunta ng Dubai. So buti na lang daw sinabihan siya na okay, proceed ka. Pinasa-pasa daw siya tapos hindi sila friendly daw doon sa Germany, sa Frankfurt Airport. So finally, may isang tao na tumulong sa kanya doon tala sa booth na yon. Sinabihan siya na okay, yung flight mo is magiging Emirates. So ngayon, na-transfer siya doon. And then, after that, while waiting, ang tagal niya doon sa Germany, mga 3 to 4 hours waiting siya. So, tumawag. So, ngayon, nag-usap-usap kami ni Amo na nasaan na si Michelle. Tapos ganito, sabi, ano ang dala niya? Ang dala lang niya is work permit lang niya at yung passport niya. So, hindi namin alam na pagbabalik ka pala ng Canada, kailangan mo pala ng visa. Yung visa niya, na-issue pa yun noong 2023, nung pagpunta niya dito. Kasi yung work permit sa immigration airport na yun binibigay. Pero yung visa, kailangan talaga yun para makabalik siya dito sa Canada. So ngayon, yung visa niya first, 2023, expired na yun. So wala namang problema kasi nandito naman na siya sa loob. So yung entrada niya may visa at may work permit. So ngayon, ang problema is yung umalis siya, nasa isip namin na okay lang siyang bumalik with work permit. Hindi pala pwede yun guys. Dapat talaga may visa ka. So yung alam mo yung visa na sticker na nilalagay doon sa passport, yun yung visa. So ngayon, tumawag kami kay Sir Brent, kay Dodong B. Ano siya, immigration consultant dito sa Calgary. Tinawagan namin. Talagang nagpanik kami ni Amo, shit, anong gagawin? Hindi yun siya makabalik dito kasi wala ngang visa. Di ba buti na lang, inopen ng Canada yung visa-free, parang ganun sa mga Filipino. Ngayon, tinawagan namin si Sir Brent. As in, grabe ngarag talaga kami. Tapos sinabihan namin siya na, tumawag kami sa ate ko namin, hindi ka pala makabalik dito kung wala kang visa. Sabi, hindi, work permit lang daw, okay na, hindi pala totoo yun. Hindi din kami nag-search. As in, grabe talaga din. Nagpanic na kami ni Amo. Tumawag kami kay Sir Brent or kay Dodong B. Ngayon, sinabi ni Sir Brent, ay, walang problema, i-apply natin yung ETA niya. Oh my God. Or yung temporary resident visa niya. Ay, shucks. Alam mo, sabi niya, wala, in minutes na maano yan, ma-approve yan. Ay, grabe. Tapos sabi namin, so tumawag kami sa kanya kay Sir B Monday. Umalis yung ate ko Sunday dito. Sabi ni Sir B, gawin natin yan sa Thursday. So pumunta kami kay Sir Dodong Brent, kay Dodong B doon sa office niya dito sa Northeast. Alam niyo sa likod ng TNT Supermarket. Pumunta kami doon. Ginawa namin, alam mo, in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, na-receive na ng ate ko sa email niya. Ano lang, $7 lang yung bayad. So, yung sinasabi nila na free visa, applicable lang yun sa my previous visa dito sa Canada within 10 years. So, ganun. Yung ate ko naman, 2023, dumating siya dito. So, kaya okay lang. Tapos, i-explain lang pala doon. So, bakit kailangan mong bumalik? So, explain. Ang nilagay doon ni Sir B na I have a valid work permit. Tapos, sabi niya, I need to come back. Sabi niya, because I have a duty. Parang ganun. That's waiting for me. I have a job there, valid. Ganun. So, $7 lang yung binayad namin. Tapos, after 5 to 10 minutes, minessage ko sa ate ko, sabi ni Sir B, i-message mo yung ate mo, sabihin mo, i-check yung email niya, kung wala sa email niya, mismo sa inbox niya, doon sa junk email. Tapos biglang sabi ko kay ate ko, i-check mo, madaling araw yun doon sa, sa Dubai, mga 4 a.m. Gising pa siya doon. Then, sinabi niya, andito na, approve na. Ay, grabe, ang dali lang. So guys, pag pala mag-travel tayo, kunwari, papunta ng Pilipinas, so, punta na kayo ng Philippine Embassy, kuha na kayong OEC, mga ganito, ganyan, visa nyo, pagbalik. Hindi pala pwede lang yung work permit lang, study permit lang. Dapat talaga yung visa. May visa kayo na papasok dito. Otherwise, hindi kayo makabalik pumasok sa Canada. So, yun pala yun. Ay, naku. Buti na lang talaga, ganun lang kadali. So, mas okay din yung before kayo mag-travel, dapat alamin. Kasi kami, akala talaga namin, work permit, okay na. Hindi pa pala po pwede yun kasi hindi pa naman PR yung ate ko. Kung PR na di okay lang, diba? In and out na lang ng bansa. Ay, grabe na. Nakaka-stress talaga yun. So, dapat talaga before umalis ng bansa, pag temporary foreign worker or student, naka-under student international visa pa kayo, PGWP, dapat magtanong talaga kung ano ang kailangan naming dalhin before kami umalis para makabalik kayo dito. Hindi pa pala pwede yung lang, work permit lang. Hindi pala pwede ganun-ganun lang. So, dapat magtanong talaga. Pag uwi ng Pilipinas, punta ng Philippine Embassy. Tapos, kailangan talaga may visa. Yung ETA. Yung TRV. Ganun pala yun. So, yun guys, ang ma-share ko sa inyo na dapat maging, mapagtanong or alerto. Kasi hindi talaga namin alam talaga. Buti na, na-accept na or na-approve na. Kasi what if hindi namin yung parang okay lang, sige, work permit. Tapos pala, hindi pala siya pwedeng pasakayin ng eroplano from Dubai palabas. Kasi nga, kailangan doon mismo sa booth or sa counter, doon pa lang mismo sa Dubai, hanapan na siya ng visa papasok dito sa Canada. So, hindi naman basta-basta na mag-apply ka right now din yung flight mo. Hindi pala pwede din ganun. Kasi, may question din doon kung kailan yung balik niya mismo dito sa Calgary. So, hindi counted yung from Dubai. Ang kinount lang, kasi ang trip ng ate ko, Dubai to Germany, Frankfurt to Canada. So, ang kinount doon sa questionnaire is yung from Frankfurt entrada dito sa Canada. So, hindi yung from Dubai to Frankfurt. Walang ganon. From Frankfurt, papasok dito sa Canada. Dadaan siya ng immigration, tas ipakita lang niya yung visa niya at din yung work permit niya, din goods na siya. Ay, Diyos mio. Kasi kung nangyari yun na, hindi namin alam, trap siya. Good luck sa ticket niya, sayang. Well, anyway, yung visa niya doon sa Dubai is until March pa naman. So, if ever, worst comes to worst, so legal pa siya magstay doon sa Dubai until March. Kaya lang, ang problema is yung ticket niya. Kasi sayang, magbili na naman siya ng ticket. So, talagang abiriya yun, malaking abiriya. So, buti na lang, napaisip agad si amo na siya. Yung visa niya, ganito, ganyan. May visa ba siya? Hindi pwedeng work permit lang. Kasi yung work permit, sa immigration na yan eh. Nabigyan siya ng work permit kasi nga may visa siya. Ay, naku, Diyos ko. Buti na lang, madali na lang ngayon pag may previous visa ka dito sa Canada. $7 lang yung babayaran. Pero kung wala ka pa talagang visa ever dito sa Canada, is talagang mag-go through ka doon sa, sa normal na processing. Yung funds, may ganun. May funds ka, may invitation or something ganun.
I'm Brenna, and I'm drunk. And you should buy at this liquor store.
I told her to say hi to my vlog.
Yes.
You have a vlog?
Yes, you definitely should. Best liquor store in this fucking town.
But you need more drinks, huh?
We buy more drinks.
No!
We'll also do one Mickey a fireball,
Fireball.
and we should be good.
And that's it. Already.
Yes.
Okay. 9-4, please. Did you go to the bar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just word.
Did you sing there?
Yes.
Oh,
yes, you
no.
will.
Nice. Okay, try again. Okay, sit
Baby.
there.
Didn't it?
Alright.
I have $2,600 now.
Thank you, thank you. Oops.
No. You can get that. That's fine.
Your phone's okay?
It's okay. I took a bar from the.
Oh,
We're good. We're good.
Got it. Too. How about this? How about this? How about this?
I
You're
love
good?
you.
I love you, girl.
You
Careful.
have no cart or house keys?
No, do you?
No.
Well, that's fucked up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, where's the key now?
Oh no!
We're like gonna be like the top store in our vlog right now. Anyways, okay. That means we have to go back to the book. Come on.
Okay,
Actually,
be careful.
You go back to the
Let's-
bar. I'll be
let's-
right here. I'll be right
You stay here.
Babysit?
Sure, no worries. Yeah. You stay here.
Bye-bye.
Don't go somewhere. Where is he going? Going to the bar?
Whoa! Oh!
So why are you drunk tonight? What happened? Just so happy? Is celebration any anniversary or what?
I just got back from being at my sister's for 3 months, so it's just kind of like.
Oh, that's why I didn't see you.
Yeah!
Oh, okay.
Okay, wait.
Oh my goodness.
We need a picture.
Take picture. Okay,
Do
we'll
it.
take
You
picture.
have the.
Where's your earphone?
Oh no.
No? Oh no, it's with him. Okay, so let's go and sit there. Oh my god. So what did you sing there?
A lot of divorce and a lot of sadness.
Why? Careful.
Oh, don't worry. It just.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's like boobies.
Right?
Like, it's just.
You actually don't listen?
Just check in her pocket.
What do you need? I don't have it.
Here, what about this side? Oh yeah, that. he's so worried. Yeah, take it off better for safety.
Okay, wait, come here.
Okay. We'll take picture.
Yeah.
She was asking for the cell phone. Be careful.
I'm so sorry.
He's fine, right? It's fine. Oh, you have to check. Oh, careful. You have to check that tomorrow, okay?
We'll do.
We have it.
Where do you post your vlog? Where is it?
Maybe I'm not gonna post
No, I
it.
need to see it. No, you have to post it. No, after this, you have.
I'll show it. I'll show it to you tomorrow. And next week I'll show it to you, so she will see it.
Still, probably she won't even. Yo, just show it to her, and she'll be like, "We were there."
What?
We like you, don't we?
Now, yeah, see. Big smile. Show it to her.
Yeah.
Okay?
I
I'll
remember.
show you your video. See? Brenna's dancing. Look at you there.
Okay.
Oh, you might take her phone with you because it might fall.
I
You're
got
lost.
it. I got
Careful,
it.
huh? Boom.
I got it. It's okay.
Come on. Let's go.
No, she's fine. Okay.
Oh,
No
boy.
worries. Careful. Okay. Enjoy your night.
Come on. Let's
Go.
go.
I love you.
Okay.
Have a very good night.
Bye.
Have a good night.
Have a good night.
I love you.
Take care. Bye-bye. Ay, grabe. Lasing na si Brenna. Ay, nako. Pero okay lang yun kasi yung ano niya, yung partner niya, hindi lasing. Oo. So, kaya hindi din naman sila nag-drive dito lang sila katira eh. Naglalakad lang sila. Enjoy na enjoy eh. So, I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, God bless everyone. Bye!